But another important subject for the younger generation is crypto, more specifically Bitcoin. And I own Bitcoin. And for the sake of this program, I do not make, Rich Dad makes no recommendations what you should buy or not buy. We're not an investment company. So as I said, buy Bitcoin or buy gold or buy silver. We don't say that. Rich Dad is an educational company, and I want people to wake up. But the message out there, again, is to most people is poor people don't know the difference between fake money. And the biggest fake thing of all is called the US dollar. And there's people out there, oh, I'm saving money, I'm saving money, I'm saving money. Meanwhile, the frickin' US government is printing trillions of it. Oh, I'm saving money, I'm saving money, I'm saving money. Poor people are poor because they don't know real money from fake money. This is not a recommendation, it's just a condemnation of how bad our school systems are. I would teach people that. The reason we have such poverty in America is because we have fake money. The gap between rich and poor gets wider and wider every day.
Best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki is ringing the alarm bells on the fate of the US dollar. His survival toolkit, 3 assets: gold, silver, and Bitcoin. For those unfamiliar, Robert Kiyosaki is the mastermind behind the international sensation Rich Dad Poor Dad, boasting over 40 million copies sold worldwide. Recently, on the latest Rich Dad radio show, Robert shed light on a fundamental flaw in most people's financial strategies: the illusion of saving oneself rich with what he dubs fake money. Kiyosaki's skepticism about the US dollar isn't a passing fad. He believes that since 1964, the US has misled the globe by printing trillions of dollars, a critique all the more significant considering his deep-rooted love for America, having served as a Marine not once but twice. What's the antidote to this fake money? Embrace tangible assets. For Kiyosaki, that's gold, silver, and Bitcoin, revealing he acquired 60 Bitcoin at a steal when they were priced at a mere $6,000 each, now worth over $17 million. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video as Kiyosaki dives deeper, discussing the emerging BRICS currency as a potential rival to the US dollar and reveals how you can sidestep the prevailing system. Also guys, I have just launched a daily 5-minute crypto newsletter. I was so sick of seeing people charge hundreds to thousands of dollars per month for on-chain crypto data and breakdowns. So to give out as much value to you as possible, I'm sending out a 5-minute daily newsletter which will cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news that you need to know, all in a nutshell. And my promise to you is it will be completely free forever. Click the first link in my description, enter your email to join over 5,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now. If you don't like it, I will personally send you $1 whole, so you literally have nothing to lose. Now here's Robert Kiyosaki with his outlook.
We're an education company. Today we have 2 experts on the subject of Bitcoin, specifically or crypto, because it's an important subject to understand, especially in today's world of fake money or Gresham's Law. 1964, you understand that. 1971, Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. Read any of my books in 1972, I was flying in Vietnam, and I flew behind enemy lines, which proved Marine pilots aren't the brightest, but I was looking for gold, real gold, because in 1972, it was illegal for Americans to own gold. Imagine that, illegal. Imagine that. So 71, Nixon takes the dollar off the gold standard, and silly people are still saving the dollar. Cash is king. It's stupid, and ignorant. So today we have Charlie Engler and Miguel Munoz. I've met them several times before. I know very little about crypto, except that I own 60 Bitcoin. I know nothing beyond that. I bought them at $6,000 each. I wish I had bought more, but $6,000 was it. And the reason I bought it was not because I'm a crypto expert. I'm a trader. I took technical trading. And crypto, when Bitcoin first came out, I think it hit a high of about 20,000. Retraced back down to $100. I said, oh, it's gone. And it kept coming back, and it hit 6. I said, I think it's here to stay. So I bought 60 Bitcoin at 6,000. I wish I had bought more, but I didn't buy any more. You guys are pretty hardcore Bitcoin then.
Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah.
Well, so am I. So again, this is Rich Dad. We'll make no recommendations. I will tell you what I do. I would don't say that you should do it too. So we come back, we'll be talking more to Charlie Engler and Miguel Munoz on how the average person, I think Bitcoin is 30,000 a unit today, and I'm in at 6. I want to find out how somebody with very little money can get started in Bitcoin. We'll be right back. Again, I said earlier, one of the biggest changes in world history is happening August 22nd, 2023. 2023. The BRICS nation, which stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, are having, on August 22nd, 23, having a conference in Johannesburg to bring out their own gold-backed currency. Now, what does that mean for the U.S. dollar? The U.S. dollar in 1944 became the reserve currency of the world. That means central banks throughout the world have trillions, not billions, trillions of dollars sitting in their bank, because that's what a reserve currency means. The banks of the world were supposed to hold dollars instead of gold in their banks. So I hope I'm wrong. I could be wrong very much. If they adopt a gold-backed crypto, the U.S. dollar is toast. If I'm right. So again, we don't make any recommendations. Just be aware it is August 22nd, 2023. Be aware of that date, Johannesburg, South Africa. And one more thing is that one of the challenges with Bitcoin is people don't accept it. They don't know what it means. But Standard Chartered Bank, which is a huge Asian bank, just came out backing up Bitcoin. And they said that Bitcoin in 2023 will hit $50,000. This is Standard Chartered Bank. It's not Robert Kiyosaki or Joe Schmo, the ragman out there. So this is Standard Chartered Bank. So today it's 30K. Not only that, is Standard Charter says that Bitcoin will be 120K from 30K in 2024. But also discuss with your friends and family about what's happening in this subject called Bitcoin. Because like it or not, the biggest problem is not Bitcoin. The biggest problem is the US dollar. And like I said, back in 1944, it became the reserve currency of the world, which means it was good as gold. And today, the BRICS nations are ganging up against the dollar. So that's August 22nd, 2023, Johannesburg, South Africa. One of the biggest events in world history is taking place. And 99% of the people who have no idea what real money is. They're saving dollars, they're working hard for it, good as money in the bank and all this, and they're getting ripped off. But they sit there, oh yeah, I have a college degree. Yeah, I have a lot in savings, and your savings are being ripped to shreds due to a system that was designed to make the rich richer. And that's why Rich Dad was invented, basically to protect people from the banking system.
And that wraps up our deep dive with Robert Kiyosaki. The future of the dollar remains uncertain, but with insights from financial titans like Kiyosaki, we can navigate these tumultuous financial waters. Remember, diversifying assets and staying informed are the keys to financial stability. A massive thank you to Robert for sharing his perspective, especially emphasizing the value of gold, silver, and Bitcoin as tangible assets in this era of fake money. And kudos to him for his strategic Bitcoin investment. Now, before you head out, don't miss out on the chance to become a smarter crypto investor. Click the first link in the description, sign up for my free daily 5-minute crypto newsletter, and join a thriving community of over 5,000 crypto enthusiasts. From expert predictions to the latest news, we've got you covered. Anyway guys, hope today's video provided you with some value. I'll see you all in the next one, and as always, all the best.